Today's video will show you exactly how you can add your logo to a Canva design. Maybe you're working on a poster, a business card, or even a video, and you want to add your branding and your logo onto it. If so, just follow my steps, because it's really easy to do. The very first step you have to do is to make sure that you have your logo uploaded to the Canva Upload section under the Images tab. I don't actually have my logo here yet, so I'm just going to click on Upload Files and then locate my logo, which I've already downloaded to my computer earlier. And if I click on it, I can use the corners to drag and resize it. But there's one problem. You can see that my logo is circular, but the image file itself is a square. So what I'll do to fix this is navigate over to the Elements section on the left, and then I'm going to type in Circle. Go over to the Frames category, and then select any of these frames that you like. From there, I'm going to click on my logo and drag it right over this circle frame. You can see that we now have a perfectly circular logo added to our design, or our photo, or whatever else you happen to be creating. Now, maybe you don't want your logo to be quite so visible, so you can select it and then go over to the transparency section at the top. You just drag this slider from the right side over to the left and select exactly how much you want your logo to be seen. Maybe you want to add your logo as a subtle watermark, or you just don't want it to be seen at 100% visibility. You can customize this however you like, and once you're finished, you can then save your design and you will have a logo that looks exactly how you want it.